Hello and welcome back to Selenide tutorial. Today we will discuss about cross browser and configuration properties for default browser. So what is configuration? Configuration settings for Selenide default browser. This class is designed so that every setting can be set either via system property or programmatically. So I would like to show that what uh, configuration properties we have. We have configuration.browser, configuration.baseURL, browser size, headless, screenshots, hold browser open, and timeout. So we will discuss each uh, w- uh, one by one. Uh, so in my earlier video about cross-browser testing in Selenium, I have demonstrated a program in which if we will pass uh, uh, argument, it will see that in which switch case it fulfills and then launch that browser. But in Selenide, it is very simple. We will see that how we can make it very simple. So yeah, last time we have seen this program Mercury login test in which we have opened the browser nav and then we have entered a username, password, and submit button, and then we have verified login successfully. So by default, Selenide use Chrome browser, but if we would like to use a different browser, what we can use configuration class and simple we use this browser settings and use the browser name like if I would like to open Edge browser for this test, I will use configuration.browser is equal to Edge. So let's run this program. So uh, it is now building the program, building the project, and then it will execute the program. It's taking some time to launch Edge browser. So now Edge browser is launched, and now it is navigated to the to a login page. So it has enter username and password and click submit button and have verified login successfully text in the browser. And after successful execution, browser has closed. And similarly, I can use Firefox browser as well. Okay, my previous execution was not completed. Now it has completed successfully. So let me use this time Firefox browser. So Firefox browser is launched. It will navigate to the URL and then enter username and password and click submit button. So let's wait once program execution will finish. Um, so program execution is finished. One more thing I would like to describe here that I can use now Chrome browser as well, but with Chrome browser I would like to add one more configuration, that is if I can use the browser size as well. Here you can see browser size. It will open the browser in a particular size, like if I will use 1600 by 900, so it will consider this browser size to open this test. So let me run this program. So this time you see that the browser size has now changed. So it depends that what specification you have with your test execution. You can describe your browser size. There are plenty of screen resolution we have, so we can set browser size as per the screen resolution. There is one more thing that we can maximize the browser as well. Uh, there is one earlier there was one property that by which you can maximize the browser as well. But if you would like to maximize the browser instead of using different browser size, you can write this code: WebDriver dot get WebDriver dot manage dot window dot maximize. So with this line, you can maximize the browser as well. But here I would like to show you that how we can use the headless browser as well. Like if I would like to run my application as headless, I need to make headless property as true. So let's run this program. So this time I am expecting that browser will not launch and my script will execute. So see here, Chrome driver was started successfully and it will execute the program and will show me about the program execution. So program execution is done. Uh, Here you can see. Now I would like to make this as false so that I can see browser. And one more property I would like to show you is about a screenshot. So if any program is failed and I would like to take the screenshot, I can use the screenshot property as true, and let me fail this program. Since we have changed the browser and the expected values to ABC, so I would like to see that if I will run the program, whether this program is going to pass or not. So let me execute this program, and I will check that whether it will take the screenshot or not as well, right? So I am going to run this program and then see how it executes. So program has launched, and Chrome driver started successfully. It has launched the browser. Browser is opened. So I am waiting for next. So now it is maximized at now, and it has entered username and password. Click submit button, and in next screen, uh, this it will validate that whether this login successfully text is available or not. So now it's navigated to login successful page, and let's wait for the completion of the program. So program execution is completed, and now here you can see uh, okay, so we have one screenshot here since our program execution is failed, and we can see the execution. uh, Control V, screenshot of this program. Okay, so now you can see the screenshot. It has taken the screenshot of the program execution. Okay, by the way, the program is basically failed due to timeout. You can increase the timeout of the program as well. Configuration.timeout. By default, it is set to 4000 millisecond, which is equals to 4 seconds, but you can set it to 13,000 millisecond. And one more thing, we can also set one thing, that if you would like your browser window to keep open, you can use hold browser open property as well, and make this value as true. So when program execution will finish, browser will keep open, and you can see the execution. So this time I am making this program this text to login successfully, so that my program will get passed. Let me execute this program. So I think program execution is taking some extra time. Might be possible it is due to the fact uh, my machine is taking too much execution. So Chrome browser started successfully. Okay, and now browser has launched. It is navigated to the to the URL, and I hope it will maximize the browser as well, and then and perform all the execution. Now browser is maximized. It has entered username, password, and click submit button, and it will now validate whether this login successfully is appearing on this page or not. So let's see the program execution result. It is now in progress. So once execution will finish, we will see that what are the results. So now you can see it didn't take any screenshot because program is successfully completed and it has passed now. So that's all from my demonstration. But by the way, last but not least, this is the configuration class in where you can find all the methods, like you can define the base URL of the application. You can set the browser. You can set the browser binaries. Like if you would like to use old binaries of the browser, you can define the path of the old binaries of the browser. Also, we have seen browser size. You can define the browser position, capabilities, and we have seen headless, hold browser open. So you can actually uh, see all of them one by one. Uh, Description is mentioned here. So that's all from my demonstration. Thank you for watching.